Your name is Jake Bile, and you don't rise to greet the day. You rise to grab the day by the scruff of the neck and bend it to your will. You get up, you fuel up, and you get ready to build another chunk of America. But not until you build a little something for yourself. Oh yeah, you're the kind of man who knows what he wants. The kind of man who brings home the bacon and fries it up in a pan. The kind of fella who isn't afraid to get his hands dirty. In other words, you don't make excuses and you don't cut corners. That's why, at the end of every day, you can say, yeah, I built that. Because you know, in a dog-eat-dog world, the importance of looking into a mirror and saying with pride, my name is Jake Bile, and I am a titan of the trades.